Welcome to Driven, Nottingham's most professional driving school. Here we understand that there is more to learning to drive than just passing your test. We will help you become a safe and confident driver for life. We've built our reputation on high quality and professional tuition. All our driving instructors have many years' experience and are hand-picked for their high standard of teaching. Setting us apart from others is our ability to provide male and female instructors in both manual and automatic cars, and can cater for drivers of any age, ability or confidence level. We're happy to give refresher lessons or automatic lessons if you're considering switching to an automatic vehicle for the first time. We can also help with confidence building, including motorway lessons and Pass Plus, as well as extended test tuition for disqualified drivers. We cover the whole of Nottingham, so wherever you are in the city, we can come to you. Driven, your #1 choice for driving success. Get in touch today.